Hey everybody, got the new window for the side of the Z. It came from I don't know, Z1 Performance or something like that. It's used and it's in really good shape. It's got all its trim. It's got a couple cracks here. I'm not that worried about it. So I'm getting ready to put this on, and I went and bought some caulking. I cleaned this up really good a few times actually. So now it's just time to start getting the work done here. Knife's a little dirty. I'm gonna go for a pretty big bead here. So what I'm going to do right now is I've already cleaned all this up. I took a razor blade to the existing sealant. Alright, let's do this. So I just put some on the little pieces that go for the trim, and I got to put the glass in these, and then I'll squeeze it all up. I already washed the glass, and I'm going to try not to touch it where I washed it, but I cleaned the inside and outside. I scraped off all the goop that was holding those tabs on, which those tabs came off of my original window. This and this here connect here and here. These are alignment tabs, and then I think this holds it off a certain amount, and then these on the bottom also hold it off a certain amount. So what I'm going to do is, I should probably put these on the window first. I'm just going to put these on the window because I could see where they were. So I'll put these on the glass now. It's easier to see where they were. Okay, those are on the glass. And just gonna fit this up here. Let's see. Should probably test fit this first. There. I can't see these alignment tabs. Can't fill them either. I think that's probably good though. Let's see. We gotta check the other side real quick. Panel gap's about the same. Wipe up some of this excess. I wanted there to be a little excess, but well, I don't mind cleaning it up, is the thing. I didn't want to not put enough. As long as I can't see it once everything's together, I'm good. Yeah, that'd be good. Let's keep it from sagging anyways. So a little bit of glue squeezing through on the inside here. I'm going to find a good spot on the rag where I'm not going to get everything else dirty. And reach around and wipe that really good. How's it going, Drew?
Screw up your ass again.
Yeah, replacing this window.